All right, friends, get ready. We're going to make a super cute Frankenstein and a bat. It's going to be fun. Hey, everybody, it's Colette with Buzzings Craft Therapy. If you didn't know, thanks for coming back if you did. All right, gang, so we have these Dollar Tree little squares, wood squares, and I have this paint and some glow paint that I painted one of the squares. This green is amazing. So let that dry. Once it's dry, I take a piece of chalk because it's easily wiped off. If you mess up, you can start over. But I'm just putting an outline of the hair for Frankenstein, and I'm doing two like fat ovals, let's say, and then a line and then some stitch marks. We may change this, we may not. We'll go from there. And then you're going to outline it in your paint or your paint marker, whatever you're using, and then fill it in. It's just color. It's fine. And then I'm going to do the same with the eyes, and I'm going to do the same with the mouth. And the mouth, I decided, you know what, I think we need more stitches, so I put a couple extra of those on there. Super cute. Then we add a couple little white dots in the centers just to give it a little pop. And then I wipe off, once it's all dry, I wipe off all of the chalk. And then you don't have to do this part, but I distressed mine with a little bit of ink just because I thought it needed it. Then I take a couple of these little Dollar Tree cubes, the little wood cubes, and I paint them silver. I'm using a silver chalk paint. You could use gray. You don't even have to paint them, I suppose. I also painted a craft stick, and I cut the ends off. Now we're going to glue those little cubes on each end of our craft stick. Perfect. All right. I know it doesn't seem like I'm going in a direction. I promise I am. Trust it. All right. So that's our project from the other day. And we're going to take that little cube and craft stick and we're going to glue it to the piece of ribbon for a hanger. Okay. Okay. Make sure you use a finger protector because it'll be hot. Put some more glue on and then we're going to take our little Frankenstein face and we're going to put it on the inside, and it actually fits in between those two cubes. Are you kidding me? I know. Adorable. All right. So then the next one, the bat, we're going to paint one of those little squares black, all of it black on the front, sides, everything. Then once it's dry, we're going to do two big circles in a mouth and two little triangles for little fangs for the bat. And then I'm going to do the same thing except in white, and I'm using a paint marker. And I'm just going to fill it in, right? We're just going to, it's like coloring. It's like a coloring book. It's fine. Then we're going to paint it, and then I use the back of a paintbrush to do the inside. Now, this was actually bat wings that I got at Dollar Tree for a pet. They're supposed to be like dog costume stuff, but we're just going to cut off those two little elastic things. It's easy enough, and the stitching remains. Perfect. Then we're going to glue the little square. I don't know why I have such a hard time saying that. The little square, glue it onto the bat wings. Then put some glue on the back of the bat wings, and you're going to glue that to the ribbon. Now again, go see the other video I did with the other two where I did a mummy and I did a spider, and you'll see how I did this ribbon. It's just a ribbon doubled. And then we're going to tie a little bow at the end, and that's it. Friends, I love this so much. I don't do Halloween. I don't do scary. This, come on, this makes me smile. Whew. Anyways, friends, thanks so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you.